Let's look at number systems, and we are looking at factors in particular. Right? Our question says, write down the factors of the following numbers. And I've taken number 1 with a number 12. So what to write down the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are, here let's look for the numbers that get into 12 without leaving a remainder. And take note, each factor that you identify may help us identify the other factor. For example, I'm listing the numbers that I know that go into 12. I'll say 1, right? 1 can go into 12. That's a factor. But 1 can go into 12 how many times? It goes into 12 times. So I get the other factor is a 12, right? Another factor could be a 2. 2 can get into 12 without leaving a remainder. I'll say 2 into 12. What do we get? We get a 6. So the 2 has helped me identify the other factor, which is a 6. I'll check the other factor, which is a 3. For sure, 3 is a factor of 12. 3 can get into 12 without leaving a remainder. So 3 into 12, what do we get? So the 3 will help me identify the next factor. 3 into 12, we get 4. So I'll write down a 4. And outside these factors, there are no other factors that can get into 12. So writing properly, writing the numbers in order from the smallest, I'll say factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Writing the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. Let's proceed to number 10, where we have 55. We want to write down the factors of 55, or numbers that can get into 55 without leaving a remainder. I'll start off by 1. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So I'll say 1. 1 is a factor of 55. 1 into 55, what do we get? We get 55. So 55 is the other factor that I got through use of 1. 2 cannot get into factor. 2 cannot get into 55. 3 can't get into 55. The next number that can get into 55 is a 5, right? And this 5 will help me identify the next factor, because I'll simply say, since 5 is a factor, 5 into 55, what is the answer? The answer is 11. So 11 is the other factor. There are no other factors of 55 other than the ones above. So I'll write the factors in order from the smallest. I'll say factors, I'll write properly. I'll say factors of 55 are 1, 5, 11, and 55. This is the answer. This is fairly simple. A brief recap. Whenever you're writing the factors of a given number, take note 1 is a factor of all numbers. Use the factor that you think of to help you get the next factor of that number. Life becomes easy the moment you start doing that. And when you've listed all the factors, let's rewrite the factors in order from the smallest to the largest. Can you follow the teacher's example and work out all other remaining numbers on this exercise? That is, we'll be writing number 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thank you very much. Have a good day.